There is often a dilemma how to handle fruits and veggies we get from the market. Some of us are worried whether keeping them in the refrigerator would spread contamination to other food items. But veggies and fruits can be cleaned with natural ingredients from our kitchen. Welcome to Bliss, Love and Joy, guys. Today I'm going to walk you through how I clean and store my veggies. I leave aside the bags of my veggies on the balcony after it gets delivered for a couple of hours and then wash my hands thoroughly. I take a bowl of water and pour 1 part vinegar into 3 parts of water and wash the veggies thoroughly. I use this solution to wash tomatoes, capsicums, red bell peppers or yellow bell peppers, lady fingers, cucumbers, white pumpkin. Broccoli and cauliflower have little nooks and crannies, hence I soak it for around 10 to 15 minutes in water, salt and a vinegar solution. I wash leafy vegetables like lettuce, spinach, coriander, mint, curry leaves, etc. in a large bowl with cold water, salt and vinegar. This will ensure that the veggies are sanitized and will also have a longer shelf life. I wash mushrooms thoroughly with just plain water because it shouldn't be cleaned even with mild vinegar solution. Just look at the dirt that's come out from the mushrooms. Zucchini has a very tender skin, hence I clean it under running water. I use my dining table to air dry my veggies. I place a huge towel on the dining table and place all my veggies on the table to air dry. I use this towel specifically only for the veggies. Place another kitchen towel over the coriander leaves to dry it properly. To store the mushrooms, I line a container with a paper towel and then put the mushrooms in it. The mushrooms should be dried and then I place another paper towel over the mushrooms and close the container. I store the coriander leaves or dhania in this similar way. I use a large container lined with a paper towel. I put the dried coriander leaves into this container and then cover it with another paper towel. This ensures that all the moisture from the coriander gets absorbed to the paper towel. To store tomatoes, I just place them in a basket and keep them in the fridge. I use a saran wrap or a plastic wrap to cover a few of my vegetables like these red bell peppers and also broccoli, zucchini, the white pumpkin. I do so because these vegetables tend to shrink and dehydrate very soon. Keeping them in a plastic wrap ensures that these vegetables retain their flavors and also increases their shelf life. I store curry leaves in a container that is airtight. You can also line a container with a tissue paper and keep them for a long time. I also store veggies like capsicums and lady fingers, carrots, etc. in these kind of vegetable mesh bags. They are really good and handy. I store cucumbers in a basket and place them in the fridge. but make sure to consume them within 3 to 4 days. These are chilies that I have stored for a week in the fridge and they are as fresh as ever. I snip off the edges of the chili and store them in a container lined with a paper towel and covered with a paper towel. For onions and potatoes, I just buy them in bulk and store them for 2 days without touching them. If you know a way how to sanitize onions and potatoes, please do comment in the box below. So here are the veggies fully packed and stacked and ready to be stored in the refrigerator. Practicing good food hygiene is as important as a healthy habit, as it helps minimizing surface germs and residues that can make us sick. So that's it from me. If you liked the video, do consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell button. Bye. See you soon.